Hi everyone, this is Sean Morrow from the Technical Services window, and today we're going to look at the Focusrite Scarlett audio interface. This is the front control panel on the Scarlett interface. In this video, we'll start by looking at this section on the right, and then take a look at these two sections on the left. The large silver knob in the center is the monitor knob, which will adjust the volume of the speakers in the room. The smaller silver knob to its right will adjust the volume of your headphones. The small button in the upper left-hand corner turns on and off phantom power. Since the condenser microphones in our studios require phantom power, you should always leave this button on. The switch in the bottom left corner turns on and off direct monitoring. This means that you'll get a live feed to your headphones while recording so you can hear yourself. The left side of the Scarlett consists of two inputs for microphones. The two knobs at the top control the gain or sensitivity of the microphones. The toggle switch below it switches from line to instrument. Since we're just going to be using microphones in the studio, we should keep that set to line. Those are all the controls on the front of the Scarlett. Now let's see how to make sure your editing software is picking it up properly. When recording with the Scarlett in Pro Tools, you want to make sure the microphone inputs are properly selected. To do this, go to the Mix window, select the Inputs drop-down menu, click on Interface, and select the input you want to use. If you'd like to record over a track in Adobe Premiere Pro, you'll need to make sure the Scarlett is set as your input device. To do this, go to the Premiere Pro tab, go down to Preferences, and select Audio Hardware. Once this menu pops up, make sure that Scarlett 2i2 USB is selected as your default input device. If the Scarlett does not appear in your input devices on your editing software, you'll have to disconnect then reconnect the Scarlett into your computer. The Scarlett is connected by a gray USB cable. Start by unplugging this cable, then wait a moment before plugging it back in. If Pro Tools still doesn't pick up the Scarlett, go to Setup, scroll down to Playback Engine, and make sure Scarlett T2i2 USB is selected in this drop-down menu. Once selected, your project will be restarted. When your project reopens, go back to the Setup tab, select I/O, and make sure Input 1 and 2 appear in this menu. Now you should be able to select Input 1 and 2 in the Mix menu without any issue. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the TSW YouTube channel for more.